Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoyed the holidays. I know I did, so I took some time off social media and then I was sick. So anyways, I can't believe we're in 2019. Like, where did 2018 go? Like, I feel like I had 2 days of summer and like 2 days of holiday. Like, it's insane that it didn't even feel like Christmas for me. Like, so this video is a how I maintain my blonde slash silver hair, because my hair literally like fluctuates back and forth. I'll be like silver and blonde. So these products I'm gonna show you in this video is gonna be products that I use to maintain my hair. So my hair was pretty long. I've been blonde for been on and off blonde like for 5 years, I believe already. It's honestly like, it's damaging to your hair. I love having blonde hair, but it's literally like so high maintenance. It's very high maintenance, so it's really hard to upkeep with the blonde, especially with my roots. I literally have dark hair. My hair is a level 4 for all of you who know anything about like levels of hair, but I'm in that dark brown range, so I have to color my hair every like 2-3 months. I mean, if I'm pushing it, just because of my roots. I like to have darker roots just because if I'm all blonde, like, I don't know, I feel like it's weird. I've been like all blonde and I thought it was like cute, and I look back at pictures and I'm like, ugh, girl, the hell were you thinking? But anyways, my hair was so long last year. It was like super long. And now I'm like, I had to cut it off because it was like so damaging. And then I had tape-in extensions, which I want extensions again. But I don't know if I'll do tape-ins, because like it was either me, like the way I was maintaining my hair, like the way I took them out, but like literally it destroyed my hair. So that's why I had to take them off, like. And I just didn't want to put them on back in again. But I love having long hair. It's like a love-hate relationship. I love short hair. I love long hair. So I think I'm gonna go back to like clip-in extensions. The only bad thing is like I have to color my own hair extensions when I order them, because like nowhere has silver hair. I found a bundle, but it was like $500, and I'm like, I don't know. I wish I had $500 to spend on some hair extensions. Like, color fades a lot, so I constantly have to be like touching it up and toning it. So the color line that I'm using right now, or that I have been using for the past year since I colored my hair silver, is the Gai Tang Demi Permanent line. So if you guys want silver hair, let your stylist know. So go get your hair professionally done. Don't do it yourself, especially if you're going blonde, because very damaging. Product that I'm gonna show you guys, it literally is like a lifesaver, especially if you have any like neon color, bright color, rainbow color. This product is like for you. So it is a viral color shampoo. This is in the color silver. They literally have like a bunch of different colors that you can use. They even have it for like browns, like if you like to keep your color like up to date in between salon visits. This color, or this shampoo, is awesome. It also comes with conditioner. I only use the shampoo right now, but this literally like stuff is expensive, but literally like the shampoo is colored. And I barely have any in there. I need to go get a new tube. But I personally like for my hair to be like extreme and the color to be like very intense. So I leave this on about like 5. Sometimes I'll even like get in the shower, leave this in my hair for an hour, like come out and just leave it in my hair and then rinse it out for an hour. After an hour, but that's just me, just because I love it to be like intense. So this next product I've been using for a while too, when I had blonde hair. I don't use it as often now that I have silver hair. I mean, once my hair color rinses, because the silver doesn't stay in that long, it rinses to like a, or like the color rinses out. My hair is like a blonde, so I tone it with this. If your hair ever gets like super brassy or yellow, this is another thing that you can use. This is a California Blonde Brass Color Correcting Cream, and this one's purple. So this one is like, you can leave it up to 5 minutes. But I do the same thing, like I'll wash my hair and then leave this up to an hour. If you have like super pale blonde hair, I wouldn't recommend it leaving that long, because this literally will like tone your hair purple. But if you're like me and don't care if it tones it purple for like a week or so, then this is another amazing one. This one also like literally smells amazing and leaves your hair super soft. You can get at Target. It looks like a very like high-end brand, but I think this is like 10-12 bucks at Target, which is pretty awesome. Shampoo and conditioner from Joico that color tones any blonde / silver hair. And I know they have one that's specifically for like blonde hair and one specifically for silver hair, but they're both tinted purple, and they smell amazing. This is sulfate free for those of you that love sulfate free shampoos. It smells so bomb. So the shampoo and conditioner you want to use, I use it like twice a week. You want to leave it in your hair for like at least 3 to 5 minutes, so it actually does what it's supposed to. So it color corrects and tones your hair. So these are my favorite go-tos. I switch off between my other Joico shampoos and conditioners, but this is awesome for silver or if you have blonde hair. So next, if y'all have damaged hair, I don't care if you have like blonde hair or like dark hair or whatever, but if you guys have damaged hair, like you guys should be doing hair masks, hair treatments at least once a week for your hair to be like healthy and strong. And since my hair is blonde and damaged and like I get breakage because I shouldn't be I'm not taking care of my hair like I should be, because your girl's lazy, and I should stop being lazy. I don't mean like a conditioner that you use and I don't mean like a conditioner that you use after your shampoo. Deep conditioner is like a little bit different. Deep conditioner or like a leave-in treatment is a little bit different. It targets certain things, and it's actually a little bit more potent. So these next couple items I'm gonna talk about are leave-in, either leave-in or deep conditioners. So the first one on my list actually was in Walgreens, and you already know that I love to shop, and I love to like shop for stuff on sale, or if I always see stuff on clearance, like you already know I have to try it out. So this, I don't know why it was on clearance at Walgreens, but I got it for like $4, and I think it was like originally like 12 bucks. So I was like, oh, let's try this out. This is the Maui hair moisturizer, the Agave hair mask. So you can either use this as a leave-in treatment or as like a conditioner. So as a deep conditioner, you just put it when you're in the shower, you put this on, leave it on for like 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. If you do it as like a leave-in conditioner, just use it like a hair product and put it in your hair. And I've used it both ways, and I really love this stuff. Product is awesome. It smells amazing. I love it. This next line is like one of my top favorite lines. Like if you guys have damaged hair, or even in general, like this line is amazing. This is the 5-minute hair repair for blondes from It's a 10. So if you guys have not tried It's a 10, where have you been? Their products are amazing. So literally like they help you do, they name it It's a 10 because they usually their products help you do at least like 10 or more things. So this is awesome. This one is tinted purple for it's just a repair mask that you leave in for 5 minutes, and like this stuff is amazing. Like literally the smoothest shiniest hair that you'll have after you use this product. So this is definitely like one of my top things. I'm literally like more than halfway done. This is not supposed to replace your conditioner every time you wash your hair. So because you can actually do more damage to your hair putting a bunch of deep conditioning treatments in it than you're supposed to. So be careful with that. But yeah. And then last but not least, I'm pretty sure you guys have all heard about this coconut oil miracle. Like coconut oil like is amazing for anything and everything, like literally even for your skin. I've been using coconut oil for years, and sorry that this jar is like kind of not brand new for you guys because I have been using this for a while. So this is the Trader Joe's organic coconut oil, but any organic coconut oil works. So this literally like is a lifesaver. So I either leave it in my hair overnight and then just put like a hairband or a bandeau like over my hair so the oil doesn't like get all over my sheets and my pillows, or I leave it in for an hour and then rinse it and then wash my hair. I don't put it on wet hair, I put it on dry hair. You have to put it on your dry hair. You have to like literally soak your strands in the coconut oil. The only thing I don't like about it is like literally I have to wash my hair like 3 times to make sure I get the oil out, because if I don't wash it, like it literally like stays in my roots. My roots are like, once I get out of the shower my hair dries. It's like, girl, did you even wash your hair? Like I'll have to wash my hair again. So gotta be careful with that. But literally after your hair dries, like it's so soft. Coconut oil is definitely the way to go. Amazing. And I think at Trader Joe's that you can get like one of these for like $4 or $5, which is even better. Gotta love bargain shopping. So that concludes my video for today. If you guys have any products you would like me to try or that you have tried and that you love, just let me know in the comments down below, because y'all know that we love trying new stuff, and I do not hesitate to buy new stuff because you already know that shopping is a problem for me. So happy 2019. I hope everybody has a wonderful year, and we will see you in our next video.